Hi, welcome to Laura's Fundora. Today I'm going to show you how I made this gingerbread house. I made it super giant so that my little kids can climb through it and have kind of a little playhouse during the winter months. So let's get started. All right, so I got this plywood and you want to measure it all out to make sure you have enough wood. So I was able to use one of the boards for part of the roof and the front part of the house, and then another board for the sides of the house, the bottom, and then just a small little scrap for the other side of the roof. So I measure it all out first, make sure it will match up, and then I start cutting. So you can see how I've laid out the pieces, the base of the house, the basic of the front of the house and the sides, and the rooftop. Okay, now I'm going to cut the beams, and that will help hold the structure together. So these posts I found in the dump, and I'm just going to line it up with the front of the house part and cut it at the same angle as the roof, the same height as the roof angle. Okay, then I'm going to place it on the front. I cut out the door of the house before this, and I placed the beams behind a ½ inch above the base of the house so that the floorboard can just fit right in that area. I screwed the front of the house to the posts. Then I'm gonna cut some more posts. This just a 2x4 at the same angle as the rooftop, and this will go in the back of the home. Okay, so now that I've screwed the posts to the front, I'm going to add the sides of the house. And I wanted to add more details, so I cut out windows by with a jigsaw. Just cut a hole first and then jigsaw the shape out that you want. Okay, then I placed it on the side of the posts and nailed that, and I did it on the other side as well. Then after that, I put the floor piece at the base of the posts and screwed those into the posts, and I screwed the back posts to the sides and also the flooring as well. Okay, last thing we need to add is the roof. So I placed the rooftops, just one piece, one side of the rooftop, and screwed it into the front posts and back posts, and then I repeated that process on the other side of the roof. Then to add more structure, I took a 2x4 and put it in the middle of the peak of the rooftop and screwed that in on both sides of the rooftops, so that we had a middle wood piece holding the middle part of the roof together. I also screwed it from the front too, so it has quite a bit of screws in. Okay, so now we need to add some detail, so I just jigsawed some loopy frosting parts and jigsawed a circle for the front to add a little candy cane. I used the already pre-cut door part for the actual door and screwed that in with a hinge and a doorknob that I also jigsawed. I added a loopy part to the windows to add some more detail, and I jigsawed a tree out for the front. And now it's time for painting! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this. And Merry Christmas.